inspection today. Got the buyers right here, got the agent right here.
And what we're doing is we just walk the exterior of the house and the interior of the house.
That was something that went a long way in our eyes, just that extra effort and organization and follow through that she put forward on the front end.
It protects the buyer.
We want to know everything we can, especially being first-time home buyers.
I recommend getting a home inspection because you can save a lot of time and a lot of heartache by just doing a 3-hour walkthrough with a licensed professional who knows what they're doing.
And this is some rot right here, plus the wood split right there.
So if we were to get an exterior replacement for these,
Well, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them, I just don't like the idea of having the interior
Right.
light outside.
Yeah.
That's just my personal opinion.
I always recommend that my buyers get a home inspection because they're hearing from the home inspector, and then I fill out an agent visual inspection disclosure, and it's very important that what I see with the house is matching.
I think the inspection has been really eye-opening. You can really, it's better to have full disclosure and full knowledge of what you're getting yourself into.
We love it. It's going to be perfect for our family. We're excited to be in Napomo, and definitely going to have some projects on our hands though.
Definitely. It's not sparkly like a penny, but it's something that we can work with and really invest ourselves into.
It's very important for the buyer to know exactly what they're purchasing. This is the biggest investment of someone's life.
For more information on housing inspections, contact Kristie at KristieCarter.com, or you can call her at 805-235-4499.